When I started my fertility journey, I did not know at all of all the things that were affecting my fertility in a very negative way. And I'm talking about the water, the things I was using to cook, the things that I was even using to make the house smell good, or the things that I was using to clean my hair, and personal products, hygiene products. So it can be very overwhelming because it's a very extensive list of things that we use in a daily basis that affect our environment and make it really quote unquote dirty, to put a word, and really affect us. So a few things that are really important that you can do today to improve your fertility. Let's dive right into it. The first thing that we did was to install a whole house filter. Now you have a few options here. Why this is important? Because the chemicals in the water that we use every day are really harmful for your hormones, starting with BPA, phthalates, and other even trace pharmaceuticals, a lot of stuff in the water. So that can impact the egg quality, your fertility. It can affect your ovulation, and it can affect your reproductive system and your overall health. So the best option is to start improving the water that you have at home. So you can do this with a whole house filter. We use the Aquasana. I'm gonna try to link their website in the description. So that was really easy because the whole house filter was improving the water that we use to shower and to cook. But then we installed the Aquasana filter for under the sink as well. There is also filters that you can put on top of your counter in the kitchen to just clean your water. So buying bottles of water to drink, it's the worst thing you can do because it's plastic. The other thing that you can do is choose the best bottle of water that you can use in daily basis. Ideally a BPA glass, BPA free or glass bottle of water, stainless steel bottle of water, travel coffee mugs. So avoid plastic that can leach the chemicals into your water that you are drinking. The second thing that you can do is clean the food that you eat. Eat organic foods when possible, and because why is this important? Because a lot of our foods these days have pesticides, GMOs, and a lot of chemicals, artificial additives, coloring, and those disrupt your fertility, as well as heavy metals on them. So also avoid eating seafood that has mercury. You can eat sardines, you can eat the small fish, but not the ones that have the highest amount of mercury. Also artificial sweeteners and soy, we've talked about that in previous videos, industrial seed oils and all of that. So there is a list in the internet, I may be able to link it in the description as well, of the good or more clean foods and the more dirty ones. And the ones that are really dirty, for example, strawberries, then you need to buy them organic. But The ones that you can peel, you can perfectly buy with not being organic, and you will be just need to peel them in order to before you eat them. Also with food, avoid all the plastic containers they give you for takeouts. So we bought a set of plates for takeouts that were made of paper. They sell them on Amazon. I'll try to link them for your convenience. And sometimes when you do that, you can give that to the person in the restaurant, and they will use that instead. So because the plastic with the hot food leaches also the chemicals into your food. This next one needs to be corrected as well, and is what you put on your skin, because your skin is the biggest organ getting rid of toxins in your body. So these many personal care products have toxic ingredients, and it's full of parabens, phthalates, and artificial fragrances and other things that I don't know how to pronounce. But you can, for example, when we were cleaning our whole house from all these toxins that affects our hormones and fertility, the first thing we did was clean toothpaste, the one that doesn't have fluoride, because fluoride it's also harmful for your health. Also fluoride-free mouthwash, and we used to buy it at Trader Joe's, but now we get it at Amazon. We also made our own deodorant, which is really easy, and I have the recipe in my website, and it's really good, and I love it. All the hair styling products and all that has a lot of chemicals, especially the sprays. And for makeup, you have to look for natural makeup and lip balm. There are certain brands out there that are really good, like the Honest Company. Will link in the description as well. Also, the things that you use to cook are really important. So you can easily change the non-stick pans that you use, which are really convenient, I know, but iron pans are the best. They give you traces of iron in your food, which is really good for you, and it's actually not that difficult to make them really non-stick, but I will recommend investing in an iron pan. As you know, the non-stick pans are the worst thing you can be using in your kitchen to cook, because they leach chemicals in the food that you are eating as well. We also stopped using the microwave altogether, because it not only reduces the amount of environments when you put it in the microwave, but it has radiation. So, but what we did was to replace the plastic containers for glass ones, and to always heat the food on the stove, not in the microwave. At least most of the time, we really don't use the microwave. Even your detergent and dish soap can be really harmful and toxic. We found a really good soap in Walmart that is for washing dishes, that is non-toxic. And also the other thing that can be toxic is your bedding and mattresses. So if you can change those for the non-toxic ones, that is really important as well. If you have mercury fillings, or also known as silver fillings, you not only need to remove them, but also find a dentist who is trained to do it. So the mercury fillings are
50% mercury, and when you drink hot stuff, it leaches into your body as well. But if you want to remove them, not all dentists know how to do it without really affecting you in the process, because when they are removing, you can easily swallow or have that mercury go into your body as well.
You don't have to do all these all at once, but I will recommend starting with a filter for your water. Switch to non-plastic in the kitchen, in your water bottle, in the storage food containers. Choose the organic foods, and I have it here written down so I don't forget. And then replace the few personal care products that you can, such as the toothpaste and the deodorant.
Another easy thing you can do is, instead of using those nasty chemicals to clean around your house, all you need is vinegar and baking soda. You can also find online many formulas you can do yourself to improve, to clean your house with, like, for example, lemon, baking soda, vinegar, and different combinations of things that are natural, that will clean your house really well and without the chemicals.
And these small actions can really help you improve your fertility and overall health. So let me know in the comments, what are you planning to change in your environment to start improving your health and your fertility? If you find this video helpful, please check out my fertility playlist for more videos like this one, and to help you boost your fertility naturally.